Welcome to Michael Structural Studio. I am Michael, your host and designer. I am here to guide you through the world of structural modeling and design software. The topic for this video is relabeling of structural members. For this video, I will be making use of the 2021 version of the software. And prior to this tutorial, I prepared a project file having just the orthogonal axis for a single-story shopping complex. So this is the project file here. So when this opens up, I will design the members for the building model with columns, beams, and slabs. Now, what is going on here is that I am placing structural members earlier mentioned in a random fashion, just so that we see the difference between member labels that needs to be organized and when they get organized after making use of the member relabeling options of ProtaStructure. And towards the ending of this video, I'll be dropping important reasons why member relabeling options could come in handy for our building model. Now switching over to the 3D view to see what we've been working upon. So this is what we have. So let me check the column here on the foundation. This one is called 1C13. The ground floor column is called 2C45. And the first floor column is called 3C103. Okay. The next one is 1C7. The ground floor column there is called 2C49. And the one in the first floor is called 3C97. So let's switch over to the plan view for the ground floor. So this column here is called, let's check how random these labels are. This one is called 1C13 as we saw earlier. The one following to the right, 1C22. Here we have 1C24, 1C30, 1C10, so checking for beams. This one is 1B5. The next one here is 1B14. Following that is 1B24, 1B47. So even with the slabs for this ground floor, I have here 1S24, 1S12. Here I have 1S10. And here I have 1S1. So the labels are random. That is established. Let's check for the first floor. The column here is 2C45. This one is 2C53, 2C55. Following that, the next one to the right is 2C71. Here we have 2C42. Here we have 2C75. Following that, we have 2C49. Here is 2C47. This one is 2C57. Here to the right, we have 2C73. Here we have 2C69. Then we go over to the beams. This one is 2B23. Here we have 2B17. Here we have 2B32. And here we have 2B36. Following that, we have 2B19, 2B11, 2B26, And we'll stop here for beams to check how random they are. We have 2B34. So going over for slabs, here we have 2S7. Here we have 2S19. Here we have 2S5, or rather 2S2. Sorry. Here we have 2S17. Here it is 2S6. Here it is 2S4. So we'll go over to the Review tab. Then click on Relabel Members. Now the Member Relabeling Options dialog box pops up. To the left, we have the structural members used in the model. For this model, I have columns, beams, and slabs. But for demonstrative purposes, I'm going to select everything. Then I have more than a ground floor in my model, so I'll select all stories. Then for the sort reference, I will choose any of these options here. Left top to right bottom, or left bottom to right top, or right top to left bottom, or right bottom to left top. So I can do that for columns and slabs, walls and beams, vertical members. So I'll choose left bottom to right top for all member types. Then this sorting will take place row wise first, then before column wise, that is horizontally before vertical consideration. Then they retain compatible labels between stories. But for now, let us click just OK. So moving over to the 3D view, here we have 1C1, 2C1, and 3C1. So this is what this particular option means. Retain compatible labels between stories. So it forces all members in the same position in the y-axis to have a particular kind of naming convention. Okay, so checking this, we have 1C7, 2C7, 3C7. And for the beams, we have 1B1, 2B1, and 3B1. And all the slabs on this ground floor are 24. Here we have 1S1, 1S2, 1S3, 1S4, 1S5, 1S6, 1S7, 1S8, and this one should be 2S25, 2S26, 2S27, 2S28, 2S29, and 2S30.